Yeah.
Okay, so size. So which one?
Size. Size.
So which one is the size? Go.
Teeny.
Tiny.
Tiny. Tiny.
Tiny.
Tiny.
Good.
Okay.
Okay, now one more.
One more. Tiny. Price. Price.
Price is precio.
Price is valuable.
Okay. Yes, price.
Price. Valuable.
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 Good.
Color.
Color.
Color. Dark.
Dark. Good.
Light.
Light. Good.
And gold.
Gold. Color.
Gold.
Golden color. And do you want to finish size?
Size.
Uh,
Yeah, okay. Huge.
Huge.
Huge. Huge.
Huge. Very
Huge.
good. Now age.
Yeah. Age. Ancient.
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 Uh-huh.
Ancient.
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 Any more?
Wait a minute. Modern?
Modern.
Age. No, 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 no.
Modern. Moderno. Esto es
Moderno.
moderno. Ajá. Ancient or modern.
Antiguo. Claro.
Okay. Material.
Material. Material. Wooden.
Wooden. Yep.
Wooden.
And
Tool.
dull.
Dull.
Dull
No.
is it's something like sad, boring.
Okay, okay. Yeah. Material. Like. Is possible ordinary.
Ordinary. Oops. It's not letting me to go. Okay, clear. Okay, hold on. Material, wooden, gold and wooden.
Gold. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah.
Gold
Yeah.
and wooden. And now opinion. What you are thinking. Opinion.
Opinion. Is useful, my opinion.
Okay, useful. Anything else?
Special.
Special. Yeah, 4 more words, please.
Opinion, emotional, exciting, is possible.
Exciting. Yeah, we'll check it. Yeah, exciting. Now 3 more.
Ordinary.
Ordinary. Ordinary. Anything else? You haven't used scary.
Valuable.
Valuable. Okay. How about the scary?
Scary, yeah.
Check.
Scary.
Yay. Mostly correct. Except valuable.
Effect, value. Yeah.
Here we can look at all the answers. Dull, exciting, ordinary, scary, special, useful. Can be your opinion.
This, for example, my opinion, eh?
Yes, your opinion.
Okay, okay.
Uh-huh.
Yep.
Now exercise 2. Walk in pairs, we can't do it because in this class I only have one student. How fast can you match 9 of the adjectives from exercise 1 with their meanings? How fast can you match?
Oh, I togi. I thinking about the right in page. Oh, my brain is another thing. Sorry.
You are in your world.
Yeah.
Come back.
Yeah.
Please come back in this class.
Yeah, word in page. How fast can you match 9 of the adjective from exercise 1 with their meanings?
Uh-huh.
When their meaning.
Here, you need to match them
Yeah.
with them. So take the photo of it, please.
Yeah. Okay. I take photo.
Uh-huh. You have it?
Yes.
Now, take your time. And which one is boring? Very small, very big? And we can continue.
I think boring is scary. Is possible scary or dull.
Dull. Dull is boring.
Dull. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Very small is tiny.
Good job.
Very big is harsh.
Huge.
Huge.
It's not like Spanish. Ustedes confunden B and V hay veces, pero en inglés tiene que distinguir.
Very. It's with a teeth, eh? With a teeth, eh?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Very
big.
big.
Very big. Okay.
Or
expensive important to you. Valuable. Valuable. Yeah. Not usual.
Not unusual.
Sorry?
Not unusual.
Unusual.
Uh-huh.
Not unusual.
Yep.
Unusual. The you pronounce a.
First part is
Unusual. Okay.
Unusual.
Special?
Not unusual. Ordinary. Ordinario. ordinary.
No, usual. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Yes. And I think today we can stop here. If you want, you can take the photo of it.
Okay. Okay. Wait a minute, please.